Hello, my name is Ariston Verdon. This is my Professional Organizations and Certifications presentation over the Nurse Practitioners in Women's Health Organization and the SANE certification. The Sexual Assault Nurse Examiner Adult/Adolescent or SANE certification allows registered nurses to support and treat patients who have been sexually assaulted and/or abused. This certification requires 2 or more years of prior experience in areas requiring advanced physical assessment skills as an RN. Another requirement is completion of the 40-hour SANE course, as well as 300 hours of SANE practice. Practice meaning, quote, providing patient care, taking on-call shifts, precepting/teaching, consulting, and engaging in peer review. The test for this certification is held every year in April and September and can be taken in many areas that offer Scantron testing. This test can be taken in Boise or other places in Idaho, such as Twin Falls. Costs for the certification vary between members and non-members of the International Association of Forensic Nurses. Member costs are $275, while non-members pay $425. This certification is valid for 3 years and can be renewed by receiving a passing score on the exam or continuing education/CE. Costs for renewal vary by submission date and membership. With memberships, early applicants pay $175, on-time submission pays $275, and late submission members pay $425. Choosing this certification gives nurses the opportunity to care for a wider scope of patients and receive specialized training to treat patients with sexual assault and abuse. This certification may not be for you if it is hard to deal with emotional trauma from patients or if you are just uninterested in this field. Next, I will talk about the Nurse Practitioner in Women's Health Organization. The purpose of this organization is stated on their website and reads, quote, as a national professional membership organization, NPWH is the nation's leading voice for courageous conversations about women's health. Some benefits of joining this organization include access to educational activities, including self-study materials, having professional representation in Washington, D.C. that provides support for nurse practitioners, and lastly, you will receive a weekly e-news brief that includes current policy changes, revolutions in the industry, and other NPWH news. While being a student in this organization, you can earn CE credit and have access to an e-portal that allows students to access courses and other CE activities. The 22nd Annual Premier Women's Health Conference is coming up this October 22nd and is offering certifications in other fields for those attending upon an exam completion. This organization publishes a blog named the Women's Health Wisdom. On the blog, you can find relevant women's health information published by health professionals. An individual membership for this organization costs $125 for 1 year, or $236 for 2 years. However, there is a student discount for just $65 a year with proof of enrollment in an NP program. Joining this organization allows access to updated information pertaining women's health and wellness with relevant topics and discussion points. This organization also offers numerous courses and activities for students gaining CE credits. Overall, if women's health is important in your life, this is the organization for you. Here are my references, which I have used for both information and images on the corresponding slides about the organization and the certification. Thank you for listening to my presentation.